Hello everyone, I am Sudha Malik. Jayshree Sridhar and myself, partners of MA Food Products, are engaged in the manufacture of grain-based food products. The main feature of our products is the wide range of products without any preservatives and chemicals with a unique blend of grains. They are made traditionally and hygienically. Our factory is located in Hyderabad. Our customers are widespread in India and other countries. As our customers are used to our products, we had tough time during the pandemic in reaching to our customers. Initially, we could manage with the existing raw materials. Subsequently, we had a problem in procuring the raw materials due to lockdown. Transport was a major problem in procuring the raw materials and also in the supply of our products to the customers. Initially, with the help of police permission, we could do the supply of our products locally in Hyderabad and Secunderabad. During the initial days of lockdown, our team members reaching the factory was a challenge. We took necessary permissions and trained them to deal with the situation. Shops were closed. We had tough time in procuring the raw materials whose prices were skyrocketing. As our foods were healthy based and convenient daily need foods, our customers felt the need of them during the pandemic. So we felt the need to reach our customers, though with a higher price tag for couriers. With the existing courier and postal services, we are able to manage to supply to our customers outside Hyderabad and Secunderabad, not only in India but also to other countries. Even now, there is a delay in our food products to reach the customers outside Hyderabad and Secunderabad. Our team at MA Food Products are working tirelessly to reach and satisfy the customers. As our products are health-based and grain-based, conveniently daily need foods, I would like to introduce our products. Porridges. Processed whole grains retaining every part of the grain for fiber-rich, energizing and easily digestible wholesome food. Tasty cereal mix, Delight Medley Pro and Pap Meal. Instant drinks like Masi Millet Mix, Health Mix, Ragi Mart, sprouted and roasted ragi with strawberry flavor and sprouted and roasted wheat powder. The grains in these products contain phytonutrients, magnesium, serotonin that improve overall health. Mapila Sambar parboiled rice and Brayu Rava made with Mapila Sambar rice and other grains. Spices, curry powder, rasam powder, sambar powder and the pepper rasam to make the meal tastier. Attas, multigrain atta, 50-50, 50% wheat, 50% multigrain. To get nutritious pulkas because of the grains in it. Amway 80-20, 80% wheat, 20% multigrain, which can be used to make pulkas and rotis, and also as all-purpose flour replacing maida in the bakery needs. Gluten-free flour and brow-based flour for people who are intolerant to gluten. They both are gluten-free flours. Traditional ready mixes. Traditional ready mix for idli, dosa, and Insta Pro dosa for healthy consumption. Ready to cook popular South Indian tiffins with millets, which makes healthy and tasty dishes very easy and accessible. Temple Pulihara, multigrain pongal, millet pongal, bisibeli bath, kanchi idli, millet sambar bath and millet upma. To know more about MA Food Products, visit us at www.ma.in. Our products are sold at estore.ma.in. Our call center number is 808-188-288. Our products are also sold on popular online markets like Amazon, Big Basket, Flipkart and so on. I thank Mrs. Mahalakshmi, Women Entrepreneurs India, for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, ma'am. Wishing you all a safe and healthy life ahead. Our Amaze Kitchen is seasoned with love. Thank you all.